Welcome back! In this video, I will list all the salient features of the SuiteCRM 8 Invalid Domain Detector, as well as demonstrate to you its real-time working. This intelligent tool helps you maintain clean and accurate website data across your CRM. Here are some of its key features. Universal module compatibility. Select any CRM module and the extension will automatically validate domain authenticity for every single record within it. High-volume record processing. Optimized for bulk verification, capable of scanning hundreds or thousands of domain entries simultaneously in one operation. Customizable invalid domain actions. Upon discovering an invalid domain, decide whether to delete the entire record or keep it unchanged based on your workflow needs. Centralized Invalid Domains Dashboard. A dedicated section showcases all problematic domains discovered, complete with HTTP status codes and detailed error messages. Comprehensive 4-variant domain testing. Automatically examines multiple domain versions including www, HTTP, HTTPS, and raw domain formats for complete coverage. Live domain status validation. Uses real-time status code verification to accurately determine domain activity and overall health status. Enhanced CRM data hygiene. Maintains pristine and current CRM data by identifying and managing non-functional domains effectively. Automated scheduled verification. Execute domain validation processes on predetermined schedules using CRON job automation for continuous monitoring. Response code-based custom actions. Configure specific responses based on domain HTTP status codes, such as 404, 500, and other error types. Optimized lightweight performance. Engineered for rapid validation without compromising your CRM's overall system performance or user experience. Now let me walk you through how it really works in a real-time environment. How SuiteCRM 8 Invalid Domain Detector works. Firstly, make sure that the package is installed in your SuiteCRM. Next, go to the Admin Panel section and select Module Loader. Your package will show up here if it is installed properly. Now, go to your Leads Module List view page. Now, you will see a list of all your lead records along with website and status. These are some websites, some are active, and some are not. All are new records. This is why status is showing as now. We have a total of 100 records, and this page contains 1 to 20 records. Let us configure the settings now. Return back to your admin panel. Scroll down and click on this option. You can give any name to your configuration settings. You can select any module. I have selected Leads for the demonstration. Now, select the module field as Website for Leads module. You can choose any batch size. I have selected 20. The extension allows you to receive invalid domain reports directly in your email. You can specify the email here. I will demonstrate to you both. Update field value and remove actions. First, let me demonstrate to you Update field value. So in the Actions panel, select Update field value in Action dropdown. In the Update field, you can choose anything. We have selected Status, for example. In the Update field value, let us write Dead. Click on Save. Refresh the page and go to your Leads Module List view. The configuration has started detecting invalid domains. Now, as you can see, the extension has detected 2 invalid domains and has accordingly updated the status with Dead. We will now see the page where the extension lists all the invalid domains. Return to your admin panel and select this option. Now, from this page, you can also export your invalid domains data. Return to your admin panel and select Send Report. This page showcases a detailed report related to all your invalid domains with name, record link, module name, description. Now, let us see the second action, that is, Remove. Let us go back to Configuration Settings and edit the Action field in Actions panel. These 2 fields can remain empty. Click on Save. Now, let us see our Leads Module List view once again. Remember that there were 100 records here previously. 1 record has been detected invalid and removed from Leads module. In your admin panel, you can check the list of invalid domains once again. It will show you an updated list along with status. The record which was deleted from the Leads module shows up here. Return to your admin panel and select Send Report option to see an updated report with the deleted record. That's it! You now know how the SuiteCRM 8 Invalid Domain Detector extension actually works inside SuiteCRM. With features like bulk validation, multivariant testing, automated reporting, flexible record management, and scheduled monitoring, this extension ensures your CRM data stays clean, accurate, and reliable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to explore more SuiteCRM 8 extensions to enhance and optimize your CRM experience.